Once upon a time, in a tiny world that exists everywhere, a small town called Microcosmos Land that lives our near future, where the society is consisted of Atominos, exactly in the Uranium City. Happiness, pleasure, and cheerfulness is filling their world. All of a sudden, a black box is coming from nowhere. Nothing like anything they saw before. It's getting closer, closer, closer. Ah! It's a warning.
From Earth to microcosms. My people are destroying me. My end is close. I'm burning up. I need your help.
An urgent reunion is held by their governor.
It's not our business. Silent Atominos. As you all know, we served in causing a mass destruction in the earth in the past. Hiroshima, Nagasaki in Japan, and Rugan in South Algeria. So, as Earth needs us, and we can help, we decided to guide its population to discover their unknown heaven.
Climate change is the change in the average conditions such as temperature and rainfall over a long period of time due to the enormous amounts of greenhouse gases caused by burning fossil fuels. To slow rapid climate change, the world needs to reduce GHG emissions to net zero, especially CO2, which is called decarbonization. So we have to electrify as many sectors as possible. The most efficient low-carbon source to achieve that is nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is energy in the nucleus, core of an atom. Atoms are tiny particles that make up every object in the universe. There is enormous energy in the bonds that hold atoms together. Nuclear energy can be used to make electricity, but first the energy must be released. It can be released from atoms in two ways, nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. In nuclear fusion, energy is released when atoms are combined or fused together to form a larger atom. This is how the sun produces energy. In nuclear fission, atoms are split apart to form a smaller atom. Nuclear power plants use nuclear fission to produce electricity. Energy is released as heat and radiation. Fission takes place inside the reactor of a nuclear power plant. At the center of the reactor is the core, which contains uranium fuel. The uranium fuel is formed into ceramic pellets. Each ceramic pellet produces about the same amount of energy as 150 gallons of oil. The heat produced during nuclear fission in the reactor core is used to boil water into steam, which turns the blades of a steam turbine that drives generators to generate electricity. Because nuclear reactors use uranium rather than burning fossil fuels to generate heat, there are no carbon emissions from nuclear power.